Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Alright. We're here, running a little late, but that's alright. How's everybody this morning? Good morning, Rob. What's the market doing? Looks like we kind of had a wild move overnight. What up, Joaquin? A little bit of a wild move. Kind of missed an entry here. I think I'm going to probably still take it. Maybe over here. Get that run down into the 100 here. We'll take a stab. What do we do? Run the overnight low there. Didn't run the overnight high, obviously. Quite a ways up there still. Yeah, the orb, Joaquin. Yeah, I did it. I didn't take it this morning. My kids had, unfortunately, had to go to the orthodontist. So I think it worked. Not 100% sure. I think so, though. I think it pushed back up in and then pushed out. But not 100% sure there. Let's see if we can find a spot to get tagged in here. I may have to just buy. Marcine, good morning. Yeah, Rob, it kind of is. If we get tagged in at 125 or 100, I think I'd be okay with it. All right, tagged in there at 150. See if we get the push higher here. I feel like we do. Would have liked to have been in at 100, but unfortunately it missed us by a few ticks there. Then I didn't get the 125 order down in time, so there we go. Quick and easy 25 points. Eric in the house. Oh, let's see kind of what happens here. Do we have any news today? I didn't look at anything. Just logged on. Let's check and see. I don't think we have news today. I think I looked last night. I don't remember seeing anything. Not really anything. Fed Waller speaks at 1:30. Bostic at 3:30. Let's mark out some levels here. Let's see. We got the overnight high up here. at the 340s. Kind of at that midnight open now. We still haven't even ran the London high yet, strangely enough. 214s. So probably if I can get a pullback into 175, I'll take it. Since that appears to be where we're going. Trade of 8 delay. I don't have trade of 8 pulled up. I guess I could pull it up. Hey, AG, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. You demand. Well, let me go for a little scalp here. If I can get my take profit kind of adjusted here in time. I'm getting a little lagginess on my side over here too. I don't know if that's my internet. What is that? Let's go for a little 10-point scalp. Might be able to layer in some scalps here, I guess. Morning, patient pays. Didn't quite run it yet. ES is already at the high. No, wait. Oh, it's at the open. It's at the gap right now. Morning, Francis. How's it going? Kind of long in the top here. You're short in Q139 entry. That's tough, Rumo. Maybe it'll come back down. I don't know. Good morning, Tris. Well, let's go, Francis. Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. What did gold do last night? Just kind of chopped around. Really didn't do much, huh? Patience pays. What was your which one? When did you win? I don't remember. What account are we talking about? What account did you win? I mean, I could go back and look, but I'd rather you just tell me. See if this thing wants to go. I feel a little bit out of sorts. You guys ever, I mean, it's kind of like showing up late to school, right? Yeah, patience pays, but I'm asking what account did you win? The 5th of February. Was that a because all those accounts should have been issued. So I'll have to reach back out to them if you didn't get it. Well, tagged into my ad there. Boom, 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 boom. I think it was, no, I think it was the other account. I think it was the, because there was 2 winners, weren't there, on that day? Let me see. Thursday, or was that Friday? Let me see. Patience pays. Let me find your email. Hold on one second. Hey, got out of 1 there. The other one's coming up, potentially. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in here. Let me find your email. Patient pays. What was your email? Are you Larry? No, you're not Larry. Are you? I don't think you are. That's why I try to do these like right away, so I don't forget. Sometimes we don't remember though. That's how it goes. Just how it goes, man. No, don't see you there. Yeah, they just credit to your account, exactly. I don't see an email from you. Let me filter right quick, make it a little easier to see. Get through there, guy. Ding, ding, ding. Let's go. Let's go. All right, hold on. I'm looking again. I'm looking again. I'm looking again. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Patience pays. Let me look at my Discord and see where I sent it over. Because I can look and see the ones that I sent over. Let me see. I'm not seeing an email from you. I don't know. All right, let me go back and look and see what day you actually won. Let's go check it out. Let's get to the bottom of this. Let's do some investigations. What up, DA? Let me go find it. History. History. Well, there's no making it up, because if you make it up, we're going to know. He won on the 5th of, he said he won on the 5th, so it shows him here on the 5th at 10:57 a.m. So let me go back to my email from the 5th, which was Thursday. And I have an email here for him. Let's see if I sent it over to them or not. All right, looks like I didn't send it over, so we'll send it over now. And let me go ahead and send the one over for last night so that I don't forget that one. I apologize. Patience pays. I did not send it over. Must have got distracted that day or something. Who knows? But we sent it over now. Perfect. DA, you can always trade it with somebody else. No big deal. Find somebody you can trade it on. Oh. Can you just size up? Are you trying to trade GC or the MGC? Thank you, Patience Pays. I mean, I try my best, man. Sometimes we, hey, sometimes we forget. I mean, it's just how it goes. Yeah, well, not all of them. Somebody else block them that I don't know about? Maybe they did. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, for sure. For sure, DA. Sam, waiting for the 1 hour time frame to set up. Let's go. Oh man, I'm just kind of feeling out of I don't know, out of tune with the market right now. I don't really know what to expect. Obviously, I expect us to fill the gap up here, but it's still quite a ways up there. The 300s. I'm using Flex, Sam. Using the Flex account. We are just hanging out here, guys, waiting to see here. I mean, I think I could just be in buy dip modes. Just could be in the buy the dip type mode here. I think we go to that overnight high. It's going to check the higher time frame here. Yeah, I mean, kind of got low resistance here. Tapped into this lower gap, swept sell side liquidity there on the hourly. Just tagged into the 4 hour. All right. I'm probably just going to go into buy dip mode. Yeah, it does, Tris. I think I'm going to start buying the dip here. We don't want 40 ticks, though. We want 50. 50. We want 100 ticks. We'll be patient with it. We get tagged in at 225. I feel okay about it. So I feel all right. All right, patient pays. You now have your account. And the winner from last night's account has been credited as well. Congratulations. What up, Sammy? Okay. No, I'm long, Sammy. It's taking a little level to level long here. Might be in a little early, but that's okay. I think that we're going to the overnight high, so I'm just going to be in buy dips mode until something changes. You know what I mean? No hug, patience pays. I'm not a hugger. I've never really been like a hugger. Just make the account, make it worth it. Make it, I don't know what the word is. Make it work. Get it passed. Make it pay. Make it pay. Let's go. Make it matter. That's right. If we start getting a pullback here, kind of like a third level and a fourth level, that sort of thing, then I'm probably going to just kill it, but we'll see. ES is at that open there. So I really want to see it hold. Marcine says, to the VWAP. What up, Trading Star? It's trying to make it to the VWAP. To the VWAP. Where's my 5-minute chart at? It's right here. I don't know what happened to my 5-minute over here. Somehow it got changed. Maybe I changed it. I don't even know. You can feel Tom Sabo is behind this drop. He might be. You know, good old time likes to short that 1 micro. Is 1 micro peen short? All right, there's the ad. Currently in, what are we in, 3? Yeah, 3. Wouldn't be a bad thing if this thing could get back above 200. I think we can get a little squeeze going then, but we'll see. Oh, you tried to short I trade? You got top tick? That's terrible. Friday's low. I mean, could be, I guess. I don't even know if I have that marked out. Where's Friday? I mean, that's way down there. Holy cow. I wouldn't think it's going to go that low. But I could be wrong. I might be wrong. Wouldn't be the first time I'd be wrong, right? Wouldn't be the first time. Holding up here at the 21 EMA for now. Yeah, I was late today, Trading Star. Kids had to go to the orthodontist, so got bad news. They both need braces. Oh, joy. I mean, obviously we wouldn't win if we didn't kind of have an idea that they needed braces based on the dentist recommendations, but, you know, that's how it goes. That's how she goes. Jackson has to get this device called I can't pronounce it right. It's called a Herpsy or something like that. Let me see. I'm probably Herps device. Herps device. Yeah. This is what he's got to get. They got to pull his jaw forward. He's got a severe underbite. So they have to put this device on to pull his jaw forward. So yeah, he's not happy about this. That's actually what it looks like. He is not happy about that at all. But you gotta do what you gotta do. And then Megan just needs regular braces, and she's not happy about that either. She cried. I'm doing homeschool. You know, girls are way pickier about their appearances than guys are. So yeah, he's got to wear that Herps device for 8 months, and then he'll get braces. So it's going to be 24 months for him and 18 months for her. Fun times. Fun times. I'm going to lock in some points here. I'm not going to be unreasonable with this. Let's go ahead and lock in 25. Right now we're up 50 points. I think we're going for a 75-point winner here. So could go ahead and let's lock in a little bit more here. Let's go 40 points. Lock in the 40 points here. $80. It's a really good candle there. Caught the spin on NQ at 764. Let's go. Rip it. Get up there, bruh. ES did make a new high here, so if we fail to make one, that could be the first kind of sign that, you know, get a little turnaround or something. All right, let's play a little music. Squeeze it. Let's get some music going up in here. Up in here. Stops in at 215, guys. Locking in 40 points. Here we go. Can we get through there? We're in a small little gap here right now. ES is already above the high, so a couple different options here. It could get an SMT here. It could be the first kind of sign. I don't think so, though. Thank you, iTrades. I do my best. I try my best. There we go. Squeeze it. I almost want to move this up to 275. Should I do that? Let's do that. I might sacrifice a few points here. Because when this hits 250, I'm going to move this up to 225. And I'm going to risk these 25 points to try to make 25 extra. I think that's okay. What up, D-Shoe? Yeah, 330. I like 346, 390, and 421. I like all the way up to there. Honestly. But I don't know if we get all the way up to there without a pullback. So I'm just expecting maybe a little expansion here. We are running into a little resistance area there on the ES, though. Initial balance is now set as well. I want to see a strong close here. About to hit 100 points on this trade, potentially. Let's take the 75. That's locking in 75. Try to give that 100 a chance, but that's kind of a weak candle, and ES is at a level of resistance. So let's just take what we can here. Oh, no worries, DA. Every account that I know of, Jan, I don't know of any that don't allow DCA. Is there some out there that don't? I mean, I guess there's some that maybe don't, but for the most part, I think everybody does. Need this candle to really close full here to have a chance. Otherwise, it's going to kind of push back into the initial balance and probably stop me out. That's a good push right there at the end of the candle. Now, I could push this on up and try to get more, but I think this is reasonable. Let's take the 100. Let's just get the 100 points and call it on this trade, potentially. Apex was against it. No, yeah, they were, but you can DCA an Apex now. A 100-point trade. Banger. Let's go. It's amazing how easy the 100-point trades sound or seem nowadays, right? It's like 100 points. No big deal. Back in the day, though, a couple of months ago, tough to get those 100-point trades. You could maybe re-enter here off 250. Not going to. But you could. What's the deal here? Oh, I was like, I don't hear any music. It was just taking a minute. Just needed Trump to burn up NATO. Who knows? Clarity, good morning. You're hanging out with Husk. Rude. That bum. That bum? Just kidding. I'm over there hanging out with him too, I guess. That bum. What's Husk doing over there anyway? Is he winning? No proper setup? Yeah. Again, I mean, I think it's okay to buy the 250 here, especially with the draw being higher. You could effectively just buy every dip if you wanted to. I think the draw is higher. I think it's up there at that 421 level. At least the 390, in my opinion. We're up $627. I don't know if I'll... Missing the opening range trade, I'm not sure if I'll take the any other trade. Anybody bang the opening range today? I mean, it literally was a perfect setup. 40 points. This is the sweet spot for the range. 20 point spot, 20 point stop, 40 point take profit. Let's see. Pushed back up. That was after the push down, though. The question is, so you would have been tagged in. Yeah, you would have got tagged in on this push into it. Yeah. Yeah, so it did pay. It did take a little drawdown, it looks like. But I mean, that thing banged 118 points, 117 points. That's crazy. Annoying with the latency. Yeah, Jan, that would definitely mess with me too. I hate the latency like that. But I didn't get it. I paid 100 points. I mean, it would have been at least probably a $500 winner if I'd have taken that. $400 to $500. Wish I'd have been home. It's all right though. Yeah, Beatrice, no giveaway this morning, Eric. Just kind of a shorter stream, so. But yeah, would have been nice to hit that win this morning. Would have put me almost getting, it would have crept me a little closer to payout, but that's okay. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, didn't. That does make that opening range trade 5 for the last 5, though. There was it was 4 for 4 last week. One of the days it didn't trigger, and then now it's 1-0 this week. So 5 for the last 5. Dirty overlapping price action. It's very good for that that kind of scale-in strategy that Fish Lips has. It's very good for that here. I don't think you should be shorting here. I think you should be buying dips with that strategy. If you're shorting, you could be getting yourself in trouble. But yeah, I think buying dips makes the most sense. Oh, that sucks, Weeks. Range was 158 ticks, so would need quite a few contracts for 500. No, Jan. Because what you got to look at is, this is the way I figure it up. Stop would have been 5 micros, or it would have taken 5 micros with a 20-point stop. That's $200, right? So at a 1R, I would have taken 3 micros off. So that would have been $140, whatever it is, close to that. And then at 2R, we would have taken 1 more micro off. So it would have been up 40 points. Would have been another 80. So that's 220. Yeah, I guess it depends on if I scale at 1R or not. If I scale at 1R, you're probably right. It's probably closer to like $250, $300. I am trying my best not to take it at 1R. I really want to take it at 2R. But it is something that is hard to do. I guess I was thinking like if I took 4 off at 2R, you know, that's like 100. That's like $300 and something dollars. It's like like $300. And then when you have one more ride, so. Oh, you don't do DCA, so you hate chops, yeah. Happy Kids, I don't mind it. Yeah, as long as you can still use a micro, I think it still makes sense, right? It's still fine. I think the only prop that's not allowing you to trade it on micro is Apex right now, I think. Even Top Step is allowing micros. I don't know why. You would restrict the micro version. I don't know. A little chilly in here. Oh, nothing wrong with that, Jan. I mean, just going for the 2R is still a great trade. Still a great trade. Good morning, Tim. Morning, Coper. Yeah, I don't have a giveaway going right now, guys. We'll do one later tonight. We're going to be doing a lot of Traders Launch giveaways, guys. I got about 10 accounts with them I got to give away. So going forward, most of the giveaways will be Traders Launch. Obviously some TPT as well. But we are almost out of our... I think I got 1 or 2 more accounts to give away from Apex. I've got to actually, because I messed up the codes this month, so I don't even remember which codes I gave away and which codes I didn't. So I got to go through there. What time I usually start? Coper, so it's sometime between 6 and 8. Tonight is going to be much closer to 8, maybe a little after, and I'll stay on until 10 or 10:30. All right, appreciate you, Jan. Thank you. What up, Matty Matt? Let's go, Matty Matt. I see that you got your base hit this morning. I love it. I love it. We did really well last night on gold, guys. Really, really well on gold. Just using our, what did we do on gold last night? Let's look at the levels that we marked out on gold. This is what we marked out. So we took this bounce here. We took this bounce here. Took this bounce. I didn't take this second one here. Where was that last trade at? I really didn't mark out any other levels, but we got 3 trades on gold. I think I took this one twice. One of these I took twice, and one of these I took once. Silver was okay last night. It didn't yield great results. I ended up red on silver. But what did silver do last night? Where's silver at? So this is the first inside bar on silver last night. It failed. I think it cost you around $300. And this one won, but I paper handed this one, and it's $5.50. So you would have been up $2.50. Obviously this one's after 9, but it won. So silver went 1 for 2. If you took them all, that one won. This one ended up winning 2. That one failed. But yeah, it's 1 for 2 before 9. But you still would have ended up in profit. Oh, let's go. 128. That's great, Coper. Keep the losses small. Nothing wrong with that. That's what you want to be doing, right? That's the way you want to do it. I don't know. I think we're going up here to the 340s, 390s, 421s. So we could just buy the dips here. I don't hate it. I really don't hate it. Buy the dips. I wonder if my regular camera is actually working. Oh, it is. Shocker. That's why I had to do it this other way. Because it wouldn't work the other way. But now it's working. Hey, back to normal. Hey, mamma mia. We could buy the 275. What do you guys think? Let's be aggressive. Let's be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. That's what, that's what my daughter says anyway when she does cheerleading. That's what I heard. Jackson has his first baseball game tonight. So that's the reason we'll be a little late to the stream tonight. Gotta go to the baseball game. I mean, how does it not tag me in there? It came within like 1 point. That's rude, man. It's rude, bro. Oh, it's a little chilly in here, guys. I gotta get my chin covered up. We gotta get warm. I need to go kick the heat up. Did I not turn it up this morning? I thought I did. Because I'm one of those people, like at night, the heat's on like 67. You know, for the kids. 6, 7. And then I turn it up to 70 when I wake up in the morning. I don't remember if I turned it up this morning, though. I actually have it on 66. So that I can sleep comfortably at night. Two flip days now on the 9 Apex accounts. Let's go. Nice job, Mini Matt. Congratulations, man. That's awesome. I hope to be like you one day. One day. And get to the payouts. I do think we'll hit Bulenox payout this week. This week, hopefully. Maybe. We need like really like 2 or 3 solid winning days and we'll be there. Made $70. Let's go, Tris. Come on, man. Tag me in, bro. Top of the hour in about 5 minutes. Just need a few more good trades. Let's go, Kofer. Yeah, I think I still got like 1,000 to go. Yeah, I'm at 52,680. And we're at 51,4, so that one still needs 2,000. And then we're at 800. We're red on the Lucid account, $164. My fun. Oh, I forgot. I didn't even take a trade on my Fund of Futures yet. Yeah, it's okay. We'll take a trade actually on the My Funded stream. Easy. We're listening to a little, what is this? Is this Fuji's? I think. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Tris. Just all of your funded's out of a $1,700 hole from that lag. Dang it. I don't really love buying the high, but I might just take it for 10 points if he can't tag me in lower. Or I could go break even at 10. All right, let's do that. We're going to do that. Probably get stopped out break even most likely, but there is some world where we don't. Oh, let's go, Biblical. Nice job. $20 points. over 20 here. I want to just see this run. There we go. Not going to be a dick for a tick here. Let's go. Thank you. Come again. No messing around. Yeah, we did shotgun your room. We had to. Shotgun. Had to shotgun you there, room. It's fine. It's fine. I promise you it's fine. It's no big deal. I don't know who that was calling. Probably a telemarketer. It came from a reliable source. Did it now? Yeah, I've been doing the shotgun recently, pretty much at every giveaway, just because it gives you guys a higher chance of winning. It gets anybody who's using 20, 30 accounts out of there. They could still get in on 2 or 3, maybe 4, but it gives a better chance for everybody else. So that's why I like doing the shotgun. For example, yesterday last night, we had 257 people in the giveaway, and then when I redid the shotgun, there was like 135. So we did away with 120 entrants by doing it that way, which just helps. It just helps it. You was one of them? Yeah, I know. Hey, sometimes you're the hammer, sometimes you're the nail room. I don't know what to tell you. You're short? I don't hate the short here, but like I still think, I mean, so close to that upside liquidity. I could take a funded trade up here, guys. I could. Do you guys see the funded trade that I might could take? Previous day closed short. I don't know. We could do that. Yeah, room, there's a lot of liquidity to the upside. It's kind of the problem, but I mean, we really have been kind of working in a wave this morning. Just sweeping liquidity this morning. We really just wicked below this low here, overnight low. Wicked it, ripped right back up. What in the world's going on?
Is following. Great call, team.
Yes, we're on fire today.
Let's lock.
Look at this, guys, on Twitter that somebody did. It's kind of funny. Look at this. Let me mute this other stuff. Let's see here. Somebody created this. Look at this.
gains.
Gold is surging. Look at that spike.
And Nasdaq is following. Great call, team.
Yes, we're on fire today.
Let's lock in those gains.
Gold is surging. Look at that spike.
And Nasdaq is following. Great call, team.
Yes, we're on fire today.
Let's lock in those gains.
All right. I don't know. It's kind of funny. I thought it was kind of funny. Barbie said, am I sitting on Methodical's lap? It does kind of look that way. No, she's in her own chair. Well, it's hard to tell. I mean, obviously it's AI, so it's difficult to see. All right, let me get my music back. Oh, you guys can hear the music. Can't let y'all hear the music. So ES is already above the overnight high, guys. Already above it. Did you guys hear that, Callum Scott? Oh, goodness. What time is it? Is it already after 11? Oh, it is. Short taking too long. I don't love the short. But you know how that goes. I'm going to park an order up here. Let's go with this account here. And I'm going to park a short order. 10 micros at 421.50. Let me check NQ and make sure that's in this. Well, I'm not going to be able to see it, am I? Biblical. This short here is just a reactionary short that I'm going to take. But yeah, in general, I get what you're saying. I mean, I don't think a short off like 415 for maybe 10 points is all that bad of an idea. Let's go, Coper. Nice job. 254, I like it. I like it. That's the opening range high right there. I'd probably go for the 250 entry. But I like that. Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones is on, guys. Now I need the evals to break even. Yeah. They're evals. They can be red. It's fine. I actually like a pullback down into the 225 area too, potentially. Maybe that 21 EMA on the 5-minute will creep up. Maybe. Yeah, definitely stair-stepping. No doubt about that. Why am I so cold today? What is going on? I'm so cold today, guys. I'm gonna have to go check the heat before I go on my funded TV. Yeah, I ate breakfast this morning, Biblical. We had Chick-fil-A, 4-piece chicken mini, and some potato chips. Come out to 610 calories, I think. 380? No, 590. Yeah, 590. I don't think I'm getting sick, Coach Fred. I don't know. I think I'm just a weakling. I used to be outside all the time in the cold and it never affected me. And now the last 3 years inside, I don't know. I just become a weakling, I guess. You heard Jamaica was cold? Is it, though? I don't know. We got different reasons for that.
Wanna be someone to believe.
It's never cold in Jamaica. Yeah. Maybe it might be cold to me. It hit 60 last week. You heard on the news. 5-minute inside buy. On what? I don't see it. Oh, now I see it. It broke to the downside, though. Fake news, says Room Beats. Fake news. Get out of here with that fake news. Guys, if you want to help support the channel, Apex is 80% off. You still got the $75 lifetime activation fee. Use code MYTH, M-Y-T-H. Bulanox is 79% off. Use code MM. My Funded Futures, you still get 20% off the Rapid account, first time use. Use code MM, 30% off the Pro account. Take Profit Trader, 40% off no activation fee. Trade Day, 40% off no activation fee. 50% off if you're a first time user. Tradeify, 40% off no activation fee. Code MM. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one free. Day Traders is 85% off. Code MM. Lucid is 40% off. Code MM. Funded Next, I think it's 35% off. Not quite sure. Code MM. Traders Launch, code MM. The Futures Desk, code MMM. There you go. That's the rundown. I have no idea, Trev. I have no idea what the capital of Cuba is. I couldn't even tell you the capital of every state in the United States. The capital of Georgia is Atlanta. That's all I know. That's as far as I can take you. That's as far as I can take you. Oh, that's hilarious. I still laugh at that stuff. Oh. You think NES be faked sometimes, but they can do their plan? What is that, Tony Gold? I'm not sure what NES is. Nintendo Entertainment System? That's the only NES I know. News. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, news could probably be faked. I mean, it's kind of like, you know, the whole tariff situation that dumped the market back in April or whenever it was, April, May, and then pumped it right back up, right? People were saying the same thing. Oh, no worries, Tony. I couldn't put it together. Normally, I'm decent-ish at figuring out what you're trying to say, but that one got me. I was like, huh? Nintendo. That's all I could think about, man. This is playing games. All right.
Ask many questions, chat. Market is slowing down.
All right. A PhD in geography? Yeah, I don't have one for sure. You jump back in short again? Oh, room. I don't love it, man. Why are you shorting so close to the overnight high? There we go, Tech T. He was the first kid with one in your neighborhood. Yeah, I wasn't. I was probably the last kid. The last kid. Yeah, this is the overnight high right here, room. I just don't like shorting so close to this. Now, if you wanted to short the 350 for maybe some cookies at that point, maybe, just maybe, that might work. I don't know. Right now, you are about to get an SMT. ES probably already ran that. Yeah, ES already ran the overnight high by a mile here. Did it anyway. So you might actually get an SMT here, which will be interesting. I could try a little short potentially up here. Could. As long as the ES doesn't break the high, you just hold it. Huh. I actually might give it a try here. I'm going to short 350. With a pretty tight stop here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a little runner here. Maybe back to like 325. So I'm going to take this with a 10-point stop, guys. This is pretty dangerous. It's pretty dangerous, but I'm going to try it. Well, this would be a sweep of the Asia, Dylan. But I'm going to keep it at a tight stop. Keep the stop real tight. Funded Futures Network, I like them, Ekram. I have a code with them, code MM. Buy one, get one free, 50% off. I don't have an account with them right now as far as the one that I'm trading, but I don't mind them at all. See if we get tagged in on this first little surge up here or not. It could just surge right through here and stop us out. Could. I did not get any payouts with them, but I have a friend who has gotten multiple payouts. His name is Tom Sabo. Yeah, Ubin, I like the 390 level. That's the open as well. That's the previous. That's a gap fill up there from I don't know, some day last week. I don't know what day. Definitely very risky to short, for sure. But I'm just looking for a little small teeny reaction. That's all I'm looking for. Oh, that hurt when I stretched. Oh, man. That hurt the back. The back hurt right there. Oh, goodness. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Did I repair my bed? That wasn't my bed. I was on vacation. But yeah, they did fix the bed. Dylan, here's the thing. Like, I don't love, like, normally I would say you look for a lower high here on a short. But, because you have an SMT with the ES right now. I don't know. We might sweep the lows one more time before we go. I think 300 here would actually be a pretty solid buy. I got a couple of things I got to go take care of, guys, before I get on to the other stream, but I'm going to be right back. Give me just a minute. Got to run to the bathroom. All right, what happened? We get tagged in? Did we get tagged in yet? We didn't. I mean, it's all right. Back just in time to get tagged in potentially. And maybe get our face ripped off. I don't know. You like the inverse? No. Oh, you're talking about back to the upside? It's super high. It could be like an FU long, where you have a clear drawn liquidity above, but it also could fail. What up, Design? Guys, we're going to be on MyFunded TV. I'm going to try to keep the stream on as long as I can until I jump over to MyFunded TV. So hopefully you guys can just follow me right over there. I do got the link at the top of the chat there. Pinned at the top of the chat. Da-da-da. Yeah, this could be like an FU long. I mean, it's super high, no sweep of liquidity, no delivery from a gap, none of that. It's really like a C or a D setup. It's just kind of an FU long. It still might work because you do have a clear drawn liquidity. And then there's your inversion there. Stop goes at the swing, break even at the high. Ask if Denny got that silver. Is there a profit limit per day on Apex Special? No. You got a 30% consistency rule in the funded account, but nothing in the eval. Make as much as you want in the eval. As much as you'd like. Let me pull up over here. Let me get on my Bulenox account over here. Was I on micros? I was, wasn't I? There it is. All right. Some of my wiener jokes on MyFunded TV. Nah, they get mad at me. They're like, you guys gotta calm down the lewd jokes a little bit. So gotta calm down the lewdness. All right, guys, they got 300 people watching over there on MyFunded TV right now. Click the link, pull it up now. I want to see you guys pile in there. Let's hit the like button too as we pile in there. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream now. I got 4 minutes and I'll be live over there. So join me over there. As you get in over there, drop the MMs in the chat, whatever. Let them know we're here. And I'll see you guys over there on MyFunded TV.